Welcome. In this short video, you'll learn how to use chain store guide data with AI tools to move faster, find opportunities, and make better decisions. Let's get started. First, log in to Chain Store Guide and download the information you need. This could be company records, store locations, executive contacts, or buying team details. Export the data as an Excel or CSV file. This will be the foundation you'll feed into your AI tool. Next, open your AI assistant. This can be ChatGPT, Claude, or another platform. Upload your file directly into the chat. The AI will read your data and become your research partner, helping you analyze, summarize, or take action on the information you've provided. Now ask the AI what you want to accomplish. You can request insights such as summarize expansion opportunities by region, group companies by store count or revenue, identify top prospects based on buying role, or highlight the best fit for your product or service. You can also ask the AI to write outreach messages, rank territories, or compare competitive landscapes. In seconds, it can turn your raw file into meaningful intelligence. Once you have insights, the AI can generate the outputs you need. It can create prospecting lists, market analysis summaries, email sequences, presentations, or even full reports. Tasks that used to take hours now take only a few minutes. Finally, continue refining your results. You can tell the AI to adjust criteria, score leads differently, create new segments, shorten text, expand details, or produce deliverables in multiple formats. Combining the accuracy of chain store guide data with the speed of AI gives you a powerful workflow to help you find, prioritize, and complete your next objective with precision. If you'd like help setting up your workflow, contact your Chain Store Guide account manager. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Lead Search Academy.